Hello students, so today again I am here to tell you how to change WH questions into indirect speech or indirect narration. We have already learned in the type of sentences, interrogative sentences. Under the heading interrogative sentences we have WH questions as well as verbal questions. So first of all we will see if in a reported speech the sentence is WH question, how to change it into indirect speech. For example, Ram said to Aryan, comma into double inverted comma, when will you solve the riddle? Now this is the question, WH question, because it starts with WH words. So if such WH question is given in a reported speech, how to change it into indirect speech or indirect narration? Have a look at this. Ram asked Aryan when he would solve the riddle. Now, before discussing this, whenever there were only statements here, that time we used to have told as reporting verb. But because the type of sentence in a reported speech is WH question, that's why we have changed the reporting verb as asked. Instead of asked, we can also use questioned here. Either asked or either questioned. Besides this, if you see, whenever there was statement, we used to have that as conjunction. But if WH question is there, the same WH word functions as conjunction here or the connector. So we are not supposed to use that over here. We are supposed to use the same WH word which is given in a sentence. That's why we have taken when as conjunction. One more very important thing that we need to pay attention to, WH question, the structure is WH word, after that auxiliary. It may be modal auxiliary or primary auxiliary, but when we change it into indirect speech, that time after this WH word we need to take the subject and then the auxiliary. Make this change, it is because in indirect speech it doesn't remain question, it becomes statement, because we are using when as conjunction or connector and not a WH word. Here in question it is WH word, after that auxiliary verb, but in indirect speech it becomes the conjunction and then the subject, and that's why we have given full stop over here. So please mark these changes. आज हम लोगों ने देखा कि अगर WH क्वेश्चन है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में, तो उसका इनडायरेक्ट करते समय हमें रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब या तो क्वेश्चन में यूज करना है या आस्क्ड यूज करना है। उसके बाद जो WH वर्ड दिया हुआ होता है वही WH वर्ड हमें एज अ कंजंक्शन और कनेक्टर इस्तेमाल करना है, ना कि दैट। और एक बात जो कि आपको ध्यान में रखनी है, WH क्वेश्चन में WH वर्ड उसके बाद ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब होता है, लेकिन उसका इनडायरेक्ट करते समय वो सवाल नहीं रहता, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इस WH वर्ड का फंक्शन होता है कंजंक्शन। तो उसके बाद हमें ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब नहीं लेना है, उसके बाद सीधे सब्जेक्ट और विल बिकम्स वुड, दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस। और बाकी के जो चेंजेस हैं वो एज इट इज़ जो हम लोगों ने प्रीवियसली डिस्कस किए। फाइनली हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप दिया है, क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं, क्योंकि इस WH वर्ड का फंक्शन है कंजंक्शन। आई होप कि ये चेंजेस आपकी समझ में आ गए होंगे। गुड लक, थैंक यू।